Hello everyone, welcome to this week's edition of the Fibonacci Review. Today I'm looking at the petrol stock Ampol, retailer of petrol and oil products in Australia. And today we're going to have a look at the Fibonacci series in time and in price. Now W.D. Gann, who studied time and in fact stated that he thought time was more important for market reversals than price structure. And what we're going to see is a couple of examples. He also stated at one point that he thought the number 144 was his greatest discovery in trading. And let's have a look at a couple of examples of that. Now, when I'm looking for time counts of 144, that's obviously quite an expanse of time. And I give it 2 days either side. So I'm looking at anywhere from 142 to 146. If there is a potential reversal in the market around that point, or I start to see price movement confirming a reversal at anywhere between 142 to 146 days, I'm on red alert. There's an opportunity there to either close a trade out for the maximum profit or start a new trade. Now, in this fabulous package Optima, we've got a couple of ways we can do this. And the first thing I'm going to show you is a time price measure tool, significant major low here, 9 December 2022. Now, if I run that across, you can see that there was another significant low here in May of 2023. And the time factor from the 12th of December right through here till the 3rd of May is 146 calendar days. Now that is very, very close to the number 144, and you can see right on cue that this market then started to turn around and make higher prices. So there was an opportunity to get long or to buy stock anywhere in here from around 28.75 to 29.25, and you can see the market went up to 31.75. So potentially around $2 per share profit for any portion that you managed to buy. And that came as a result of Gann's favorite number in trading. Let's also have a look. Now, if I take a time factor again from the same low, and this time I bring it across to this next major low through here, this significant low, the 7th of July 2023, you can see that it's 142 trading days. Now, the lesson here is that it could be 144 calendar days or 144 trading days. That market was in a decline from the top at around $32. It got down here to 29. The 144 time factor from the last major low has occurred. And then all of a sudden we see the prices start to rise. This is what Gann was looking for. This is a fabulous clue for a market that is getting ready to rally. Now, one of the things we can also do is to have a look at the Fibonacci price scale. And what I'm going to do here is to launch that from this low to this top. Now, in reality, you could put it from any low and any top that you wish to trade in. If you're a longer term trader, you'd probably be looking at a monthly chart or even a weekly chart. But let's have a look in my chart tools through here. I've got the Fibonacci retracements, and I'm going to put that from that last low at the 144 count, and I'm going to bring that up to the next peak. And if we run that across to the right hand side, you'll notice that on the pricing structure of the Fibonacci ratios from the low to the high, the market found really good support exactly at 38.2%. And that, of course, is the magic structure of the Fibonacci series. 38.2 plus 61.8 equals one whole. So what we have now is a significant point. Now, there's also a very interesting technique which gives some credence to what markets can do. And it basically says that if a market has a strong rally, finds good support on a 38.2 retracement, it should repeat the full run. So in other words, what we're saying is that we can move this up to this low now, the 38.2% retracement low, and you can see that that gives us a price target of around $36 for the stock of Ampol, which would be very close to a previous major peak around that $36 mark. So it means that if the stock gets to $36 and you're an active trader, you need to then watch it very carefully and manage that trade as you see fit. But interestingly, you can see the Fibonacci series is providing excellent opportunities to get positions in the market. There's one final thing I wanted to show you today, and you can see through here that from the significant top, the 1st of March, to the next significant top, which occurred here, the 25th of July, is 146 calendar days, and the market had a pullback from 33 back to 31. So again, you can see the fabulous results that can come from understanding and knowing what the Fibonacci series is, then applying it, then watching and waiting for the market to confirm it. So the market started a run on a 144 count and ended the run on a 144 count, and then had a minor counter trend in a Fibonacci scale, and has now started to reverse and showing strong signs of upward trajectory. This is a terrific model to use, and it's one, like everything that you look at in trading, requires practice and patience to be confident with how to use it. But of course, any questions or queries you may have on this report, you're very welcome to send them through. I'll see you again next week with another look at this fabulous Fibonacci technique in trading. Bye for now.